Alright people, I thought I'd never be able to get this bolt off, but here we are. Let's check out the video. Before we do that, Giannis sent me a message on TikTok. Now, we can't even send messages to each other on YouTube anymore, but we can on TikTok. So if you don't know Giannis, they are from Estonia, and they've had this YouTube channel for maybe like 10 years. And they do a lot of like back road racing, dirt road racing, ice, frozen lake racing, and they use a lot of Makita tools. If you're into that stuff, definitely go check them out. They are a ton of fun, and the YouTube channel is called Carshed68, as well as the TikTok. Now, I appreciate them sending me a message because they were the only one who thought to send me a message. So they said, at Single Cams, check out this video. So let's check this out. And this is from the user x_77_xx_56.
Impact Wrench Made in China DC12V. Единственное но только в том, что здесь у нас все дело будет через удлинитель, который ворует момент. Но будем надеяться. Неожиданно. Я, если честно, сейчас очень сильно удивлен. Не знаю, как вы. Полное видео про эту Wonder.
They have a couple of videos of this.
За последние несколько дней я узнал про гайки гораздо больше, чем за всю свою жизнь. И вы были в прошлый раз совершенно правы. Здесь действительно левая резьба, и мы закручивали. Так что сейчас мы попробуем действительно открутить уже на этот раз.
How cool was that? If you're not sure what just happened, some trucks, especially in Europe, I noticed on the left side will have a reverse thread lug nuts. So they actually go right to loosen. So that's what happened right there.
Ну и всем было
DeWalt.
интересно, как же справиться с этим делом сатана.
No, we don't need to see